Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. We're going to get right into today's video, and today's video is from FabFitFun, and I'm just going to quickly give you a little backstory on FabFitFun. They are a beauty, wellness, fashion, fitness, and lifestyle box that you receive quarterly every March, June, September, and December. And the box is $49.99. And if you are a new member to FabFitFun, I do have a discount code down in the description box that you can save $10, making your box $39.99 for the first month. And they guarantee you a value of over $200 in each box you receive. Most of the boxes that I've received have been closer to $300, if not more than $300 for that quarter. And they do offer annual memberships and seasonal memberships. I do the seasonal, where I pay the $49.99 each season that I get the box. If you do an annual, I think it's $179.99. You pay that up front, and then you're not billed until that 1 year mark again, and continue on if you choose to. I know the annual membership, they're classified as a select member, and you get to personalize a lot more of the items in each of your FabFitFun boxes that you receive. Where the seasonal members, I think you only get to customize two or three of the items that you receive in your box. And the items that I've received here in this box are from what they call an edit sale. And they do this usually prior to each box and after each box goes out. So if you order something in an edit sale, like let's say for the spring box that will come out next, it comes along with your FabFitFun box. This is what I guess is like a post-edit sale. So after the winter boxes went out, you could still go back onto their website and make some purchases, which I did make a few purchases here. So we're going to get right into what I ordered, and I just opened the box for ease of time, so I didn't have to slit the box open. Here, let's move this out a little bit. So it's always packaged nice with a little air pod and paper. Let's get rid of that. And you always get your little receipt, which tells you the items in it, and which is good. There's no prices on this, so if you're not sure of prices, you would have to go on their site. So I'll just block out my address there so you can see, it lists the items, which is nice. And the first item that I purchased, here, let me come back a little bit further here, is, let's move this out of the way temporarily. And this is a product from Maureen, and I have tried a few things from this company and have loved everything that I have tried. And this is their Floral Water Makeup Remover, and I would assume this is, I've not tried this particular product, but I'm assuming it's very similar to like the micellar waters that are out there. And it's well sealed around the top. You can see the seal all around the top. And this is a type that has the flip top. And I don't know if you can see that in there, that little white dot. Here, let me put this box down. You can see this little, this is all sealed, so I don't want to open it just yet. So there's this little white dot here and this little round disc inside there. So you open the top and you take your cotton ball, whatever. I prefer the cotton rounds myself. And you just press it on the top, and all the makeup remover comes up onto the pad. So you're not having to pour where you might over pour and use more than you should. And if you do, one press down, and it's not enough. It should be on a cotton round to remove your makeup. Sometimes I do press more than once if I really want to, if I'm just like going over it for a second time or something like that. So this is 13.5 fluid ounces, or 400 ml. And on the FabFitFun site, I paid, let me see where the price is. I paid $7, and then you have to pay tax on each item. So I paid 56 cents tax. So in total, I paid $7.56. And if you go onto the Maureen website, the same exact product, same exact size, is listed for $24. So there's quite a bit of savings there. And I had been wanting to try these for the longest time, and they've had these in their edit sales quite a few times and just never did it. So I figured this would be a nice thing to try. And this is from my tag-alongs, and this is 3 travel bags or sacks. So let's open these. Okay, let's get rid of this. Something stuck in there. Okay. And let's take these out of the bag. So here, I do believe there's 3 different sizes. So that tells you on the back, shows you the 3 different sizes. Okay, so we'll take this off. And the first one. And these would be good, kind of hard to show you in the frame. So these are like a nylon type bag, and they're, you know, fairly good size. Here's the entire width of the bag. Pretty long. Kind of hard to get it all in the shot there. So these would be good for shoes. If you're going to a beach and you're going to get changed, you know, maybe like wet clothing, wet bathing suits, things like that. And then this one has, which is pretty much the same size as the other one, but it has mesh. You know, a see-through mesh. So this is nice too. And I think, let's see this next one. I don't know if this is the bigger one. Yes, this is even a bigger one. So you can see it's rather large. It's kind of hard to get the whole thing in the shot here. So this is a pretty big bag. I'm assuming this is for size-wise. Let me just tell you, the real big one is 21 inches by 15.75. The one with the mesh is 15.75 by 12 inches. And then the very first one I showed you was 15.7 by 12. Okay. So then these two are the same exact size. This has mesh, and then this would be the bigger bag. So that's those. And then the other item that I ordered, which I see so many people using these when they pack their bags, or even just going away for a weekend, it would be nice, but definitely great for travel. And these are from the same company, My Tag-Alongs, and these are the packing pods. And let's open these up. Here. So then they have a nice little handle. And these are, you know, like the navy blue with the hot pink, and then the mesh is like a teal. So these are not huge ones, but I just wanted to give them a try and see what they were all about. So you get, I think you get 3, yes. So here's the first one. So you can sort of see by size here. But this would be great, you know, to pack maybe personables, socks, bathing suits, something like that. And it does give you the information in the 3 different sizes that you get. And then the next one is a little bit bigger. And you can see here, and you can see the depth of this one right here. So it's a, you know, pretty much it's a little bit bigger altogether. So then you get that one. And then this one is going to be your biggest. So this one you could actually put clothing in. Oh, I'm sorry, I just banged my camera. You could actually put clothing in it. And this one has a handle on it. So they were the 3 items that I received. And I guess they all fit nicely. So like if you're storing them, I would assume these 3 bags would fit in here also. And then you could just zip it up. And let's see, make sure. This way, for ease of storage, like you could fold this down a little bit. And these are really cute because they have the little toggle, so you could cinch them closed and toggle them. So then that all would fit in there. Yeah, so this will all nicely fit together. You zip it all up, and that. So the price of the packing pods, which are these here, you got 3 of them. I paid $9 and I paid 72 cents tax, so that's $9.72 from FabFitFun. On the My Tag-Alongs website, these packing pods cost $32. And then the bags, the 3 bags, and they're called on their website trio of bags, I paid $7 with tax. It was $7.56 from FabFitFun. And on the website, it's $28. So if you're a member of FabFitFun, it's always great to do the edit sales, and I always do. I think in my summer box this past summer in 2018, I received, it was a massive box. So my FabFitFun box was inside, but I think I spent $130 or $150 and got all kinds of extras, things like this, or even items similar to this. But like I said, I've never tried these before, but I wanted to give them a shot. But got makeup and makeup removers and just all kinds of scarves, socks, all kinds of great products. And they have page after page after page. They do bundles. So they might have like a trio. They might have a small makeup palette and lipstick and a mascara or eyeliners, or sometimes they bundle some of the fitness stuff together. There's just tons and tons of items that you can purchase. And I like the purchase after the box, because you can really sometimes get a hold of things that maybe you couldn't get with the box when you do the the edit sale prior to the box coming out. But I always look, there's never been a time that I haven't ordered something, but, so I think in total I spent $31.27. So I saved quite a bit, because right off the bat, these 2 items on the My Tag Along site, because these are made very well, very good zippers, would have been $60, and this is $24 on their website. So that's $84, and I only spent $31 from FabFitFun. So consider becoming a FabFitFun member, getting the box once a season, and then you can shop and get fantastic items like these. So that's my video for today, and this is from the FabFitFun edit sale. And don't forget to like this video, share if you'd like to with all your friends. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.